Are you looking for the best credit cards to pay your utility bills while earning rewards and maximizing savings? In this video, we'll reveal the top 3 credit cards that offers cashback, discounts, and flexible payment options for your monthly bills. So let's get started. So before we dive into the top picks, let's discuss why using a credit card for utility bills is a smart move. So first is it has cashback and rewards. So you can earn points or cashback every time you pay your bills. It's also good for budgeting and payment flexibility. So it has spread out payments if needed. And it also has fraud protection, so more security than using debit cards or bank transfer. And lastly is the build credit score. So regular payments can improve your history, which is really good for you. So first on the list is the City Custom Cash Card. So it's an excellent option for those who pay high utility bills, and here's why. First is it has 5% cashback on your highest spending category, which can include utilities. It also has no annual fee and 0% APR for the first 15 months. However, the 5% cashback applies only to the first $500 spent per billing cycle. So next up is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. So a great all-around card for earning rewards on bills. So it has 1.5% unlimited cashback on all the purchases, including utilities. It also has 0% APR for the first 15 months, and it has bonus rewards on dining and travel. So you might be asking, what is the downside? So it doesn't have a specific bonus categories for utilities, but the flat rate cashback is great for all expenses. So finally, we have the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express. This is ideal for maximizing cashback on recurring expenses. Here's why. It has 6% cashback on select US streaming services. It also has 3% cashback on utilities, gas, and transit. And lastly is it has 0% APR for the first 12 months. However, you have to keep in mind that this card comes with an annual fee of $95 after the first year. So, which card should you pick? So, if you want the highest cashback on utilities, then you have to go for a City Custom Cash Card. But if you preferred unlimited rewards on all purchases, then Chase Freedom Unlimited is a solid choice. Lastly, if you're looking for the best overall cashback on multiple expenses, then the Blue Cash Preferred card is worth considering. So that's it. That wraps our list of the 3 best credit cards for paying utility bills. And which one do you think is the best? Let us know in the comment sections. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal, finance, and money saving tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!